Okay, I got 60 seconds to give you guys a rundown on this 1938 plantation home. We're on just over 2.5 acres, and it's actually 2 parcels. I love what they've done in this kitchen, you guys. You can kind of see they have updated everything in here, kept the original feel and look of this plantation home. Awesome, awesome. So they did a great job in here. We're gonna shoot over to bedroom number 3 here real quick. Cute and cozy. Got the built-in little desk over here. Awesomeness. We go out to the living room. Very nice living room. And let's go into the master. So even though they got this old look, it is certainly not grandma's place. This thing's just beautiful. Beautiful with some nice nice touches done. This is the last bedroom being used as an office right now. And let's take a peek down the road here and just kind of look at outside. 2.5 acres, lots of stuff.